Hi, welcome back. In this video, let's discuss SingleChildScrollView widget in Flutter. Let's get started. So what is SingleChildScrollView? A SingleChildScrollView is a widget that is used to scroll a single child within a view. It's often used when you have a small amount of content that needs to be scrollable, such as a list of items or a single paragraph of text. The SingleChildScrollView widget takes a child property, which is the widget that will be scrolled, and a scrollDirection property, which determines whether the child can be scrolled horizontally or vertically. Here's an example of how you might use a SingleChildScrollView to make a list of items scrollable. It also takes an optional controller property, which can be used to control the scrolling programmatically. The controller is an instance of scrollcontroller class. It can be used to programmatically control the scrolling behavior of the SingleChildScrollView. It's important to note that SingleChildScrollView should only be used when you have a small amount of content that needs to be scrollable. If you have a large number of children that need to be scrolled, it's recommended to use a listview widget instead, as it's more efficient for handling large numbers of children. So what do you think about today's video? Comment below. See you in the next video. Have a great day!